The human skull is a complex bony structure that forms the head in the human skeleton. It supports the structures of the face and protects the brain. Here is the composition of human skull. The skull is composed of 22 bones, which are divided into two main categories: cranial bones, which are 8 bones that enclose and protect the brain, and facial bones, which are 14 bones that form the structure of the face. Now we will discuss in detail about cranial and facial bones. The cranial bones include frontal bone, which forms the forehead, 2 parietal bones, which form the sides and roof of the skull, 2 temporal bones, which forms the house structures of the ears, occipital bone, which forms the back and base of the skull, sphenoid bone, a central bone that connects with many others, and last one, ethmoid bone, which forms part of the nasal cavity and the orbit. And now we will discuss facial bones. The facial bones include 2 nasal bones, 2 maxillary upper jaw bones, 2 zygomatic bones, also called cheekbones, mandible bone, the only movable bone of the skull, forming the lower jaw, 2 lacrimal bones, which forms part of the eye socket, 2 palatine bones, which are part of the hard palate, 2 inferior nasal conchae, and vomer bone, which forms the part of nasal septum. Foramen magnum is the large opening at the base of the skull through which the spinal cord passes. Sutures are immovable joints connecting the bones of the skull, such as the coronal, sagittal, lambdoid, and squamous sutures. Now we will discuss functions of the skull. Skull protects the brain from injury, supports the facial structure, houses sensory organs, provides attachment points for muscles involved in chewing, facial expression, and head movement. The human skull is a marvel of natural engineering, combining strength, protection, and function.